Hi guys! Happy New Year! I'm gonna celebrate by myself here. Because my employer, they go to Korea and celebrate. And then, I stay here by myself at home. Anyway, ayan. So, buhay OFW, reality talaga to. Actually, wala silang New Year. I mean, meron pala, pero yung New Year nila is January. Sa atin kasi is, and sasalubong tayo ng end of month, December. So, well, tomorrow, I'm gonna celebrate by myself, and then, pag video call, that's life. That's one of isa sa mga ginasacrifice namin ng mga OFW, yung mag-celebrate ng Christmas or New Year by yourself. Pero sanay na kami doon, sanay na. Pero minsan hindi maiwasan yung yung lungkot, and then at actually happy na kami makita yung mga post, pictures, mga pagkain, yun. Reality yan ng mga OFW. And then, yun lang.